Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Radby, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Radha and here is Robert. And don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the video that I post. For today's video, as you guys probably see on the title, we are doing the unboxing and iPhone SE. I hope this is going to be helpful for some of you guys who are deciding to buy some phone or the new iPhone. First of all, Robert has the iPhone 11 Max Pro, but he decided to purchase the iPhone SE. But I don't know why he decided this. Why do you decided to purchase for the iPhone SE?
So why I choose the iPhone SE is because I really enjoy the classic design that they use in iPhone 6, 7 or 8, and I really missed the Touch ID feature. I think it has pretty good specification and everything, and it's gonna be fast, and I think it should last you for at least 3 years from now on. I don't want to carry an expensive phone with me everywhere. You can easily drop it and mess it up, you know, break the cameras, and if by accident I break it or something, I know that it's not expensive and it's gonna be cheaper to fix. And for cameras, if I really want great pictures, I may just buy a camera and invest in maybe a good lens, and I will have the best quality for the pictures.
If you don't mind with the look or everything, I think iPhone SE is very suit for you and it's very affordable, so I think that is pretty great deals, right?
Sure, let's jump to the unboxing.
Okay,
so it's a classic box. As you may see, it's a typical Apple. They like to put a picture of the phone and the actual size on the front of the box. So let's just jump to unboxing. All right, let's see what's in the box.
oh my gosh.
All right, so here is as usual, Apple like to include the instructions and the classic stickers for the iPhone. Okay, we don't need that. Boom, here's the iPhone right here. The new iPhone. Let's turn it on. Boom. It doesn't turn on. Oh, here we go. The classic Apple logo on the phone, and looks shiny. I like it.
Yeah,
looks shiny, but looks like an iPhone 8. If you put it on the table, you don't know this is an iPhone SE. You don't know this came in 2020. If you didn't hear the news about the SE, and I tell you, hey, this is the iPhone from 2020, you may not believe me. So here I am to deliver the news. This is the new iPhone SE.
Look, comparing to the iPhone Max.
This is the comparison between the latest iPhone and the iPhone SE.
Yep. Wow, that's look very different. Oh my god, mine is look like a bigger one and you got like the smaller.
Hey, don't forget we have the iPhone 8 Plus here
too. My god.
We have so many phones here.
We are Apple lover, I think. Look at this. My show sets up new iPhone.
Yeah, I asked her to set up my iPhone, but this is my iPhone. You're not gonna set up my iPhone.
Yeah, this is my iPhone.
Alright, let's move to see what else is in the box. This is an unboxing video, so let's not go to other things. Charger, you may know already. This is just a brick, square, whatever charger. We don't need this. This is old stuff. Oops. Headphones. I'm sure you used this before. It's the wires one. It's not wireless. Unfortunately, they don't include the wireless. And they did not include the adapter this time for the old style headphones, you know.
Oh, okay.
So that's fine. Charging cable, the classic one. You probably have this one already. And here's the empty box. This is the bottom of the box. I think this is a perfect size. You can do everything with one hand, and should be perfect. Alright, so here I'm at the last step of setting up the iPhone, and boom! Here we are.
Ooh!
A lot of apps, they're still installing, and I am excited for what's next. Let's try the camera. I don't think they make any change to the front camera, same as iPhone 8. So I know for sure they make a change for the back camera. Alright, so we're gonna do a quick video test. I'm gonna compare this iPhone SE camera to the 11 Pro Max. So let's see what we get and let's see if we can spot the differences. And we are gonna test the camera stabilization while walking, see which one performs better. We are gonna try the picture quality on both phones, 11 Pro and iPhone SE, so let's see what we get. We already played a few minutes with the new iPhone, and I want to ask Rada, what's her first impression about the new iPhone?
First impression about this iPhone, I think it's pretty simple. It's look very cute and it's also very convenient. It's very small, you know.
And very light as well. Yeah.
Very light too. Comparing with the
11
iPhone
Pro Max.
Yeah, it's very heavy, and
yeah,
this one is light.
Yeah, because this is made out of stainless steel, which is a heavier metal than aluminum. This is made of aluminum. If you drop it, it's easier to bend it. Glass back, glass front. It's similar iPhone 8. Same screen, square. What I wish they could change in this phone is the screen. I wish they could make it like full screen, like the 11 Pro, like go all the way to the top and get rid of those ugly bezels on the top and on the bottom.
Why? Because it's super small.
Yes, it's small already, and that makes the screen even smaller. But it's not a deal breaker for me, so I think I'm okay with this. I want to tell you something. It feels very fast. Let's do a speed test, going for example in the settings app, right? So we will see which one is faster. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Boom. Whoa, I feel like mine was faster, right?
No, I feel like, I don't know, it's the same time.
So final thoughts about the iPhone SE. It's very affordable for the price that you pay for it, and what this phone offers you, I think is the best phone at the moment. If you don't want to spend, of course, more than $700 or $800 to a new phone, I think this is the choice that you want. It's very powerful. It's very light, it's fast, and it's very convenient to carry around in the pocket. It is small and fits everywhere. So those are my thoughts, and I think that's pretty much it for the video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this is gonna be helpful for you guys who are interested to purchase some phone or deciding to buy some phone but don't know what to go with, you know. I think this is very great deal, and I hope this share is going to be helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the video that I am going to post. So yeah, today we have to go. Bye.
Bye.